There's our plane taking us to Atlanta today. November 639, November Kilo. Old Spirit livery. Probably along with the older seats too, that are actually somewhat more comfortable. But it is here in Austin, ready to finish on this part 2 of our journey home from Los Angeles. Stay tuned for more. There it is. Old Spirit, yeah. Old Spirit livery. Hopefully they have the old seats too, because I think the old seats are pretty padded. Yeah. Something in the dry air in general you're not used to. Alright, here we go. Old Spirit aircraft. Oh, watch your step. Yep, it's the old seats. Hello, hello. See, these old seats have way more padding. Holy shit. We're 18 right here. Here we go. Row 18. Okay. Wind is kind of in front of us, but it's all good. Got that old winglet. Got slightly video behind us. 17's got a better alignment, but it's all good. What we got? The legroom of the old seats is honestly just about the same as the previous, as the gray seats, but the padding is pretty fucking dope. It's really nice. But in comparison to other Spirit seats, that is, it's very nice. Not really in comparison to other airlines, but the cushions are still good. All right, see y'all at pushback.
The light is attached to each vest. When exiting the aircraft, put on the red tab at the bottom of the vest to inflate. The vest can also be inflated by going into the tube located at shoulder level. Remember, do not inflate your vest until you exit the aircraft. Again, the sides of the front and back exit doors can be detached and used as ramps. There's also a remote light ramp located in an overhead compartment near the after exit doors. All Airlines flights are non-smoking. Smoking including use of cigarettes or vaping devices is not permitted in cabin laboratories.
Special livery, JetBlue and Boston Red Sox. It's cool. Yep. Red Sox.
access gates and has turned up the fasten seatbelt sign. Use caution when opening those bands as items may have shifted. If you need special assistance, such as